Welcome to our product showcase. We are a professional manufacturer of heat shrink tubes, high temperature insulation sleeves, and cable protection solutions. Our full range of heat shrink tubing covers all your needs. We supply silicone heat shrink tubes, halogen-free flame retardant heat shrink tubes, and double-wall heat shrinks. Tubes with ratios from 2 to 1 up to 4. We also provide high-performance PTFE and FEP heat shrink sleeves, featuring excellent high-temperature resistance and insulation performance for extreme heat and fire protection. Choose our fiberglass products. We have corrugated high-temperature sleeves, fire sleeves, hookah and loop fire sleeves and double layers, braided insulating sleeves, snakeskin woven sleeving, extruded fiberglass tubing, and expandable silicone sleeves are also available for diverse industrial applications. Our textile sleeving series is widely used for cable management, pet braided mesh sleeves, self-winding sleeves, Velcro and zipper textile sleeves keep your cables neat and protected. We also offers aluminum foil fiberglass sleeves, spiral tubes for bellows, special working environments. To complete your protection system, we supply aluminum foil tape, silicone sulfur adhesive tape, and fiberglass tapes. All products are strict LY tested for stable quality, reliable quality, competitive pricing, and customized services. Visit our official website Heat Shrink Tubes. Explore more details and get your quote today.